It's a rocky road. Road is so rough. Rocky road. Road is so tough. Rocky road. Road is so rough. Rocky road. Boy. Alright, YouTube. I can't allow the singing thing cause I know my thing that. Anyway, we're there today to talk about Miss Donna and Trishan. Where Miss Donna turn over Trishan 800,000. See it? Well, peeps, we not there to beat Trishan bad. We there to help her. See? First thing I want you to do for me, after finish watching this video, is go in the comments and comment what would you do if you won $1 million. Just answer that simple question for me in the comments, alright? Yeah, because it might sound simple and we there so watch Trishan, but enough people don't know what they would do if they get $1 million, you know? You see me? And even if them tell you, say, boy, they would do this and do that. You see, when that million they drop in their hand, I want total different thing I go on there, so. You understand? You remember the youth was singing a song, I say, boy, when me win the lotto, me I go left from Moko. When he win the lotto, he don't remember nothing about that. A different settings. So watch you now. On a serious note. This little girl here, who get the money here, she need guidance. See? She needs some help. So we don't really want to hear them beat her bad and how she really react over the whole situation where she said, boy, she don't want to depend on video and ray. It's just like a man win the lotto. When me win my lotto, me don't want to go on a camera neither. Me don't want nobody see me. If me have to go take my thing and mask, me I go mask up and cover up my face. You see me? So at the same thing going right there, so it's not like she ungrateful, you know, but I just instinct. I just her instinct I say, boy, she don't want to depend on video. The only sad part about it, at the same video make she really receive the blessing here. So it don't look good. You understand? It don't look good. But between now and me I watch the video, you know, I realize the first part of the video where Miss Donna carry the money. And me and Miss Donna say, see, me carry police, me carry evidence, ray. Because Miss Donna in herself knows, say, you know, that little girl can't go manage that type of money, you know, she go out and eat that, you know. You see me? Her head will chip out. But Miss Donna have to do it because Miss Donna could have do better for her, you know. Miss Donna could have keep the money and build the house. But Miss Donna afraid of the people them who go come back and come say, yo, that the amount of money they could have built one bigger house, how you figure put zinc pan house when ray. So Miss Donna don't want to get involved in that something there. So she have to just hand over her money to her. But here I'm want to do for she now. You remember the 3-part series what I do earlier on? Think Big, Power of the Mind. Somebody need to give her a link to the video there and make sure you watch it. And if you are a new person to this channel, I have a 3-part series, Think Big, Power of the Mind. You know, kind of stimulate up your mindset and make you know, say, boy, there is much more than what really in front of you. There is a bigger picture. Because one part in the interview when me hear she say, boy, she want go down at town, go get one little spot and sell some clothes. Right there, so you see where her mindset there. Because of that, she see the go on. You know, that she has see around her people down at town and sell. She don't know, say, boy, she can go up one store. She can be a wholesaler for them people that were down at town. Her mindset now that broad. So, do not beat her bad, people. Please, me I beg you, don't beat her bad. She young and she don't understand. See? So remember, Think Big, Power of the Mind. Link will also be in the description. Somebody get a link to it. And for who now see, now listen to that 3-part series there, you can go and look for it. It's on my channel. Remember, subscribe and just search the channel. Click in the video section and search Think Big, Power of the Mind. You understand? It's simple as that. It's just about a mindset thing. Our mindset not really the lever there for that type of blessing what she get. You know, so she gonna need guidance for angle the money. She just a gonna need somebody to explain to her why she need the house. You understand? And the only reason why she like the house, you know. I try the best thing she ever see, man. I bet if she see a better house than that, she nobody like the house here again. Enough people that they laugh for her and I say, boy, she not have no sense. Oh, she fi say she love this so. Where she a come from much worse than this so. That's why she say she love this so. So she not really a think and I know say boy she go need the house because her youth them a grow and all these things. When the rent money done how it go. So peeps, somebody just reach out to her. She don't want no more money. She want the knowledge of the angle the money. So somebody reach out to her and give her a strength, okay?